Okay. So I'm from Southern Leyte. Karon, life's very hard there for me na ako ganahan ko mo leap over another place because I want to chase a better life. So I
Mm.
had 500 pesos na dala, di ko kalimutan ni.
Wow.
It was like, kwan gyud to, kanang leap of faith ba? So I went to Cebu, wala ko'y mapuy-an. Murag taas-taas sa pud siguro kog believe sa kong kagalingon atong time nga pag-abot dire siguro manarbaho ko. I have couple of friends that I know here pero wala jud sila idea nga mori ko or nananghid ko or anything. Um so pag-abot na ko dire, first na ko gi-contact is someone I know if magaidan ba ko niya og asa mga apply and he did.
Mm.
Very confident ko. It was Convergys. Those
Mm.
Convergys at that time, oo. So pag pang-apply na ako, confident pa ko pagsulod pero pag atubang na sa interviewer, gikolbaan ako. And then gitagaan ko after sa interview kay gitagaan ko papel nga daghan ng checklist na anak ko nga okay sa pasar man siguro ko. Ay kato ding nasa check, mo dito mga things na i-improve daghan man kayo.
Ay.
First rejection, first heartbreak nga wala ko
Mm.
mag-expect murag layo siya sa akong expectation ba. And then nang apply ko sunod-sunod, rejection and rejection. Karon mura na kong nastumoy sa kung kanang si tawagan na nakustumoy sa kung feelings of murag grabe di man siguro ko ma-hire ani wala ba ako dangpanan diri sa Cebu.
Mm.
So ang ending palakaw ko and then na ay kung nakasugat babae wa ko kailan yan siya nga sir basi ganahan ka mga play taas UHG. So pag sa
Ah,
UHG
grabe.
pag abot sa UHG nung apply ko from I think start 3 p.m. kutob na sa alauna sa kadlawon. Final interview na yun na naabot na ko sa final
Mm.
interview karon the question was siguro sa kaduka na ko ang question was asa minimo na kuan how did you find out about us
Mm.
niya na ko nga wala honest ra pud gay ko niya na ko someone just told me because I was going for Convergys niya I was going for Convergys when I
Mm.
was and then get hired so that's why I went here mo tay reason nga wala ko na hire uli ko baktas kay kadlawong dako o pag ko kahibaw asa ko paingon. So that was my life then. Na-hire ko sa Qualphone to make it the story short. Na-hire ko sa Qualphone and that's where I started really. Pero it was so depressing because ang sweldo at 12,500 minus tax.
Unsa na
So
tuig?
2014.
Okay, okay.
2014. So niagir ko pila murag 6 or 7 months ngadto then nabalhin ko sa teleperformance and then from teleperformance na naka murag dito magud abi ko kay dili sa teleperformance day shift man ko ton
Mm.
so abi ko og kanang sa tawag abi ko og okay na kay day shift dili ka nang makasurvive ra ko ba kay day shift dili di ay
Mm.
because the life in Cebu especially nga na ako nagpuyo sa may tintay, layo kay na siya ton nga musakay pa og kaduha. So ang ending stressful kayo akong morning kana bang mumatak og sayo, musakay, traffic, abot sa office, inig uli traffic gihapon so maabot na alas alas G sa gabi so the rest was
You
a
know?
problem. And it was also an eye-opener for me. Kaysa una mo gud don, you won't believe me that I don't even like going into the sales industry. It's not a passion. It's not something that I want because pressure. Mo lagi na sila na ikota and you get kicked out. I'd rather stay sa comfort of being in a customer service setup kay kuha naman, balik-balik naman. 'Di ba?
Red, kada lang Red. Kabalo ba ka that it's a common story or theme sa mga tao ba nga padulong dito sa mga butang that they never liked or they never wanted
True.
one. Like ako, di ko gusto ko HR. Kay psych man ko. Pero naadto ko sa operations. Ako asawa na gusto og operations, nato siya sa HR. So, kanang kataonan ba? Padayon, sir.
Oo. Nya mo lagi na and I started noticing na sa kagamay sa akong sweldo, I realized nga, wait, I had dreams nga gusto na kong i-chase man.
Mm.
But dili na murag the reality here is I wouldn't get it in a 9 to 5 job.
Mm.
So I started leaping from a different company, which was sales, and then I was doing well at first, but wala jud ko'y structure doon. So after a couple of like more 2-3 months, na kick out ko because I wasn't really doing well. Nya nibalhin ko og a digital marketing company. This it was year 2017, dito na ko nagsugod. Nga na kay
Mm.
ang nahitabo mo guton, siguro sa passion nako ba ibutang nako ang murag naghimo ko og kanang drawing real good nga. Og mao ni akong mahalin nga services, mao ni akong komisyon. Murag nga na ibutang nako sa akong
So
computer.
forecast tag imo ha?
No, I was forecasting. Mao ni akong buhaton. So I was really eager to do everything I can para mo income. Ang nahitabo man good is ako mga tupad, mga pioneers na sa industry, grabe makabundak ton like 100,000, 50,000, ingana siya. Ako ultimo 500 di ko kabaligya ba.
Mm.
And then I realized nga maybe it's not really my skill set. Maybe it's my approach. So I decided to study and learn the sales structure, the arts of selling ba. I've read different books, mga free ebook nga okay ba kay author kay di mo taka-afford lagi ultimo 500 nga course, di mo taka-afford na back then. So I had to study unsay available nga free YouTube, mga free ebooks. I had to learn from those. I had to structure my very own scripts. I have to write the whole call flow nga akong na figure out nga basig mo workout ni. But of course, reality nagtapak nimo sa call with the client, nakatawan ko kay mura bati ang pagka-deliver niya kuan murag siguro over na kayo. So nakatawan ako, napaulawan ako, I got embarrassed because of that structure, but I did not give up. And destructure na ko from time to time, and many years later here I am. Ang kanang ipang share na ko ninyo guys is a structure that I've developed for 9 years. That's a 9-year structure. Kana siya is battle tested, and you'll know why. Now, if you have any questions, let's park it maybe at the end of the discussion. Let's start why sales is still a part of your life. If naa mo dire, knowing na you are in the industry as freelancers or aspiring freelancers, pasabot ana you are selling a service. Bisa pag mayingon ka nga di nga pera mo ka-admin task. Are you really being an admin or as a imuhunahon ba as a business owner? We are posting job hiring because there's a problem in our business that we want to fix. We don't have time, but we have the money to pay someone to do it. Diba? It's buy and sell gihapon. We're buying your time so you can help us sa ana nga part sa mong business. Ikaw na bahala sa admin task. Ikaw na bahala sa video editing. Ikaw na bahala sa back-end support. Diba?
Sir Red, kadali lang pa, singit lang kadali. I think, ganahan ko ato, no, that the companies that are looking for the specific nga maka-provide og solutions are willing to pay people para mo fix ang nga problem. So, kani inani nga logic or inani nga example shows that, and I think hopefully people all of the people understands that you are not entering a company to become an employee. You are entering as a business owner. Ang imong serbisyo, ang imong produkto, and I can't stress that enough nga ang produkto jud ang imuhang skills, knowledge na ika-offer. Mabitaw na kung ang imuhang mindset hangtod karon is empleyado, gamo ka mosulod, ka mo trabaho ka, mosulod kag alas 8 sa buntag, mugawas kag pagka alas 5 sa hapon. Lamunon jud kag pildihon jud kag kadugayan ani nga industry kay dili makaka-grow as a business owner. You would always be R&D, unsa ano pag-improve sa imong produkto, and that's how most of the people would improve their skills, upskill, learn more para mas daghan ug mas nindot ilang produkto padayon. Sige sir, go sir.
That's right. Yeah. So, amo na siya and to add to that no, You are right, my God. It needs to be if you're trying to get into this industry, you have to understand nga it's different from a call center setup. Kaya sa call center setup, imong kaatubang HR, di ba? But here, manggod, imong kaatubang is ang tao nga directly apektado sa ilang negosyo. If something happens to their business, ilahang kwarta ang apektado. The
Tinood.
reason why they're hiring or they're looking for someone is they're seeking help. Now, before tayo nagka-discussion dito sa imuha sa Coltons ba? If naato kalimot kung si Queen M, I don't know, na siya I don't know. So ang idea to is ang inhitabo to ay plano niya ibaligya hourly gihapon. Like the same job rates ba nga mura kag worker empleyado. And I said na don't do it like that. Sell it as an outcome-based, solution-based, because you're giving a solution man. Because when you give it as a solution, it becomes more valuable. Diba? So, ang akong giingon, ingna siya nga, for that certain scope, it's only worth 17 hours lang man to, anak ko ingna $1,000. Ano siya, mas mahal na kayo, sir. Ang reason nga nang mayroon ko $1,000, it's not really because that's the amount we want to offer. But that kani magud mahimo na siyang anchor magud dira kibali dira ta mo binat sa negotiation ba. Imagine na if imong giing ng 500, moana ang client kasi sige negotiate ta 500. Unaog man. Unaog man. 200, 300, di ba? That's the anchor. If 1,000, mayroon sila nga out of the budget, dali ra kay pangutana. So pilay budget nimo. Karon because we are people, we always want to be seen as fair and justifiable. Kay di ko ganahan matanawan as dili ko fair ba? Kuan gyapon sila sa imong anchor gani nga 1,000. So i-lower na nila but not as much as low ball ba? Kay katong kang Queenie, before ko ni-offer nga 1,000, gi-ratios na nakudahan, 500 to 700 gig rate adto for that one-time guan. Kanang one-time project. At least that was for 17 hours, that's already 500. Good na to siya.
Good
that's
na.
How you negotiate. You sell it based, yes.
If I also share, ganahan ko ato nung ni anchor ba, mo anchor ka sa, I also call that you set the tone. You set the tone sa sugod pa lang na mobiya niya ako ang presyohan. So kung ako na mingon ko nga example na yun po kung i-quote mo na imong rate sir mingon ko nga oy I usually kanang kung per hour mingon ko nga I usually ask for around $35 to $40 per hour. Ana sila tas mas na mahal lagi. Ano ko nga well inana jud kin ana man nagserbisyo I can show you whatever I've done before. Pero because I think ganahan ko sa atong vibe while talking, ganahan ko sa ato ang conversation and I see so much potential in this relationship that pwede pa nato siya mapag-grow further and more projects may tabo. I'm willing to ask you, pila di imong rate? Yun siya nga, naramang ko diri nga rate. Pero tinod ato guys, before ko nagsulti 35-40, ang ako ideal is 25. So kung mababa siya, ang pinakababa niyang adtuan is my ideal. So kung mababa siya 30, paldo gyapon. Pero kung mababa siya 25, mayon ko nga sakit jud kayo, marag dili kay ko komportable sa 25, pero I think it's doable for the first quarter. Let's set KPI para kabalo ko nga after a quarter we can review what we unsa tong nahimo based sa atong gipang set na goals, then let's discuss na pod unsa ang ato ang atong plano moving forward sa rate. Di ba mura gani kay kung giset nimo to si Queen, giset nimo 500, tama tingon ni Sir Red, mubaba jud kay mohangi man sila. Pildi na kadaan.
Yes. That's how negotiation works, manggod. Wala man siguro yung makig-negotiate mo, no? Nga may akong rate sure 25, may na imong client nga sige, day $50 an hour. Diba? Wala may gana, diba? It always
50 na lang nato.
It always comes from a certain price point going down. Mao ginang negotiation. Now, since we're talking about closing, you have to understand na ang pag-close sa usa ka client, it's not really about getting hired. It's what we call alignment. Dapat
Love
align
that.
mo. Your skill set is aligned to their intention towards their business. Kaya wala man na sila ni hiring for you. Wala man na sila ni mata nga pagka the next day ingon, mang-hire ko ba? Trip lang na ako ron mang-hire. Dili man. They're thinking, I need somebody to help me in this part sa akong business. Nahitabo sa kang Queenie, imagine na kato nga part, di ba? Unsa siya ka si tawag na, unsa siya ka grabe nag-need og help. Grabe siya ka pansin ni chat na siya sa sa WhatsApp ni nga to sa Slack. So, nangita siya pagi ba nga tagaan og pagtagad. That means inga na ka urgent. Mo na sila nga mag-hire yun na because there's a problem in their business that they want to resolve. So, like what I'm saying, importante ang alignment. Now, most of you, most of us, kay kanang di man ta kahibaw mo align good kay una pa lang we're always thinking about getting hired. Yeah. We're always thinking of that thought nga mga play kog trabaho mo join ko into a discovery call kay dapat tarungon nako kay aron ma-hired ko willing ra ko ilobol nimo, di ba? So mo man itong thoughts God. But hopefully ako lang hangyo ninyo when you go into a discovery call, you have to understand it's a discovery call. Dili siya interview. Discovery gani to discover if align ba mo.
Amen.
Diba? That's it. You have to learn nga musulod ka ngadto, don't go there thinking that you're gonna be hired. Go there thinking that you're gonna be okay even if you don't. Para walay pressure nimo, walay pressure sa client. 'Di ba? Imagine na if nasulod ko ana, tapos ni ana ko nga, sir, duha mo guna, lahi ang arrogante, lahi ang confident nga tao. Kaysa arrogant,
Amen.
sa arrogant, muana ang arrogante nga, sir, hire me, I'm the best one there is, I can do this, I can do that. But ang confident nga tao, musod nga tumana, sir, nana ko natabangan nga mga tao before. Pero dili pa sabot sad, matabangan ti ka. Need pa nako i-figure out if match ba ta. If align akong skill set sa unsay problema nimo. If align ta, we can work together. But if dili, that's totally fine. Okay ra ka na. Di ba? Kinsa may business owner nga mo deny na. Di ba? Ang discovery call is basically for both of you to decide. Dili lang si client ang mo decide, kamong duha. Mo na purpose ana. That's why you have to understand when you jump into a discovery call, you have to give them an idea that I'm here to help you. But if my skill set, my knowledge, my intention towards your business is not aligned with what you want, then perhaps we cannot do business. Kana, simply.
Sir Red, I think ako lang mo add lang gamay sa alignment na word. Sometimes ba kay medyo kanang dili ka siya mag-get sa mga tao or ma-misuse siya ba. Alignment is when you guys connect at a certain level. You are at the same understanding. Nga kung unsay kailangan si kliyente, you have exactly what the things that what you can pasok siya sa unsay mong skill set ba. So, lisod ayo nga pugso nimo isa ka butang bisag dili mo align just because you wanted to close the deal. You are destroying your career sa inana nga sistema. Kaya may tabuan na mo tong arrogance na mo yes bisag dili kaya. Mo yes bisag walay alam. Puro fluff, puro bluff, wala zero, lata nga way unod. Confidence is coming from a place that you know exactly what you can offer. You know exactly who you are and what you can do. Bisa magbalik-balik taron ang discussion, kabulo ka unsa ano mo pag-manage the discussion because you know unsa ang kailangan nila and you have the solution with you. Mubito lang kailangan, you should be coming from a place of care and solution. So during the conversation, when you get to present it that way, pasok ka. Kay mo bito to ingon si Sir Red kanina, no? Kung musulod ka, dili ka dapat pressured. Kay kung musulod ka, desperado ka to close the deal, mangangamoy desperado ka during the interview.
Tama.
magkanga na ka, magpataka na lang kag tubag, magsalad answer na ka bisag unsa na lang para lang jud kasi desperado ka to desperado ka to sell yourself. But the truth is you don't have it. You don't have it yet. Mo ba tumiyon ko nga importante that you know exactly unsa imo ang gina-offer para pag-abot didto sa discovery call, you are coming in and maabot ka mura kag musulod ba nga I'm here to listen unsa imong problema. I'm here to know unsa day ang pain points nimo. Let's talk about that. Para kabulo ko if I am the person na makatabang sa imo. I'm not
Tama.
here para like mura gani kaya na ko na kaya na ko na bisag wala kabulon sa ako na lang i-chat GPT pagkataod na mo na yung mga problemang dinagko. Yes sir, go ahead.
Thank you. So, now, ang question is, unsaon ako pag-align akong skill during the conversation? How to actually do that? Diba? Kay we're talking about alignment man, we're talking about that. Karon, example ha, how to be an expert level salesperson that doesn't sound like a salesperson. So you hop on a call and then introduction mo, hello sir, kumusta? Mga yan na. Ako lang Bisayon ha para makasabot tanan. Para hindi lang ta mag-English. So nihap ka sa call niya na ang client niya, hi, how are you? Kumusta ka? Unsay may imong ma-offer? Unsay imong kaya buhaton sa akong business? Syempre, anxious guna sila. They also have things to consider like finding the right person, spending the money they have to spend for their problem to be fixed, daghan. So they always have questions in their mind ba nga, kaya nimo na buhaton. Ikaw as someone nga wala naguna-huna ba nga nisud lang ka because you want to be hired, you're going to try and answer every questions they have. But you don't. Ako kentahay, nihapon ko sa call. Ang akong gibuhat, daghan siya pangutana. Can you do this? Can you do that? Tell me about your experience. What if nisulod ko, niyan ako, sir, let's calm down a bit. I understand you have a lot of questions. I understand that you have a lot of problems, but there's no one solution to all problems, man. I also need to figure out what problems do you have? Unsay bottleneck nimo specifically? Unsay outcome na gusto nimo? And if we're a match, if kaya na ko na buhaton, then we can work together. If not, okay ra sad. Okay ra ka magsugod ko mangutana sa kung mga questions nimo para mahibaw-an nato if align ta. Gets? Diba? That's how easy it is. Kinsa may business owner nga moingon nimo nga dili oy dapat mangutana ko nimo, wala. Because like I said, they're also seeking a solution to their problem. Just imagine nga nisud ka sa interview ingana imong dating ba kalmado kay kaniya na ra ka, sir, kalma lang. Kagets ra ko unsa ka ka-anxious, kagets ko sa mga question. I'd love to answer all of those questions. Pero we have to talk about your specific bottlenecks because I'm here to offer you a solution but wala man lagi usa ka solution sa tanang problema. There's always a specific solution to a certain problem. That's why hopefully you'll allow me to ask you a couple of questions to figure out unsay bottleneck, unsay outcome na gusto nimo, asa ang gap. Then we'll go from there para ma-offeran ka unsay specific solution sana. Gets? Now, karon, what's the first question? Unsay una nimong ipangutana? When you talk to people, especially in business, nga dili mo kaila and you hop on a discovery call, of course, strangers mo, di ba? As strangers, we don't like to talk about our own problems to strangers. Una, it's embarrassing. Ikaduha, I don't know you well. So there's always a guard sa tong kasing-kasing to talk about our problems. That's why it's always surface level. Nga mo na sila nga mag-need lang ko og SMM. Mag-need lang ko og video editor. That's not a problem. Diba? So if you want to pinpoint unsa di problema sa kliyente without them having to say their problem, inyong buhaton is to guide them to the problem. How do we do that? This is how you do it, okay?
Paminaw mo, nindot kini.
You talk about other business owners' problem in this same business. Okay? For example, like muana ka sa kliyente, the first question is this, pero imo siyang smooth transition ba? Imong ipasa ang problema sa uban niya. In the same industry, sa usa ka industry, it's almost common problems. Right? So, Imong ipasa mo na ka, sir. Ay ba ka, sir? Dili lang man ikaw ang client nga na-handle nako, dili man lang ikaw client na istorya nako before. And most business owners in your category, in your niche, kay mao ni ang problema, man ni problema 1, problema 2, problema 3. Mangutan na lang ko, sir, na experience ba pud na experience ba pud nimo kani nga mga problema ha. Walay business owner mingon nga dili because it's common problems ganit. If dili pasabot, they're doing really well. If you're doing really well, afford ko nimo. Di ba? I can put a high price. But the reason why you are here in a discovery call is you are having a problem. So you cannot say nga wala kay problema because you are hiring. So they'll eventually say, yes, I went through those same problems. Now, it's easier to admit a problem now because ma-feel nila, dili ra day ako isa ang ni-go through ana, daghan day mi. So okay ra day ko mo admit sa problem. 'Di ba? So pag admit ka sa problem, ni-admit na siya sa problem, diri na ka mangutana sa next question which is, okay sir, gets ko. So the next question is, sa karon sir, what's the biggest bottleneck ang imong gina-try overcome? Why do you want to find out the biggest problem? Because that's where you're going to align your solution to. Like I said, the heavier the problem, the easier they can make a move in order to hire you. Ano man? Because kitang tanan, we operate, mupalit ta og butang, duha ra ka reason. Pain o pleasure. Diba? Karon, nga naman, promise, kitang tanan, ganahan, for example, nakay kwarta. Why would you go for Apple products rather than other kanang Samsung? For example lang, majority, I'm not saying all, but majority of people, if nakay kwarta,
Offended ang mga naka-Samsung gari, sir. Samsung kumano sila.
no, kanang majority of people right now are looking forward to buying the iPhone 17, majority. Because Apple is selling emotions. They're selling the feeling of being angat to everyone.
Status.
Yeah, status is a feeling. Diba? Emotion. That's pleasure. You could have picked a different phone na mas cheaper, but why would you go for something very expensive? Because it gives you a sense of feeling of belonging to a higher status. That's right. So, that's pleasure. And second reason why we buy things is because we're forced to do it because of pain. Diba? Kani si Sir Tony, nagdagandagan na maging si Sir Tony, no? So,
joint pains, apil na, may nana, dili apil.
ha, if ikaw, giimbita ka sa usa ka imong kailang, tara, dagandagan ta na, kay aron mag-healthy lifestyle ta, nga kanang aron mas better atong system, di pa naka-feel, kay di man interesado. Diba? Pero, ingnon ka nga kay baka na ko'y kailab na sakit siya katungod kaya wala siya exercise. Kanang, di ko ganahan nga mahitabo na nimo nga. Masakit ka, muluya imong tuhod, you'll get obese, tapos maapektado imong health, maapektuhan sad ang imong panagkuyog sa imong pamilya. Makulangan imong maapektuhan ang mga, maybe one day ba, instead nga masolusyonan, ma-hospital na lang ka, operations na lang. So, you're giving that person a sense of pain ba? Nga murag imong gina-forecast ang pain. Karon, gikan sa walay interest, na anay konsiderasyon. Kay nahadlok man. Diba? Again, pain and pleasure. That's the only things nga maka-make move nato to purchase something. And it goes the same way with clients. It goes the same way with business owners because they're buying a solution to their own problems, man. Gets? Now, why do I say this? Because the first one we try to figure out is what's your biggest problem, 'di ba? Mr. Client, o sa pinaka biggest problem nimo? Karon, after nimo na figure out ang problem, the next thing na need mo siya i-figure out is the outcome. So sa kanimo na pag smooth transition, mo na ka sir gets na ko. So that's your problem di sir, no? Now, let's zoom out a bit. Okay, let's try to zoom out a bit, sir. I want to understand this in big picture. Now, you notice my words here. I'm saying let's zoom out a bit and the word picture because we are visual beings. Let me give you an example. Guys, listen to me. I want you to imagine you now as a working BA. You go into a beach. You're bringing your own laptop. You sit down on a table. It's cold, breezy, and then it's about to go in the morning. You will see the sunset coming up, and you are there sitting down working. You hear the breeze of the beach. Okay, I'll stop there. Did you not imagine what I just said? I said
I did.
imagine. That's visuals. Okay? We are visual being. That's why mo ka, sir. Kanang kuan lang, let's zoom out a bit. Let's try to understand this in a big picture. Unsa giday outcome nga gusto nimo maabot sa imong business by bringing in a SMM like me, as an admin BA like me, or as a video editor like me? They'll tell you the reason why. So na kay pain, gikan sa ilang problem, then na po kay outcome or the pleasure nga they want to reach. Dali ra na isulti ang pleasure compared sa pain. Karon, you're going to ask, how long has this been going? Ano, kanusa pa na nimo gusto maabot nga outcome pero wa gihapon nimo naabot. 'Di ba? Motubag na po na siya. Mo ni, then next question nimo is the imong ipa-feel ba unsay mahitabo? For example lang, lead miner ka. Mo ana kang kuan lang, if we get to resolve this part of your business and we can bring in maybe 2 to 3 leads a day and help those convert, how would that affect your business? Para na sila something to picture out ba? So that will give them an idea na napa mo diri guys, bisig nagsigira kog dami pa man. Murag sobra ra akong istorya. Okay,
Lagi,
madungog ba niyo?
Actually, ano sila, nawindang na sila mostly, sir. Murag, so much information.
Basig so much information na tama. Pero
Sige lang. Engage lang sa chat. You guys can communicate there, okay?
so like I said, pain and pleasure. Let's always go back there. Remember that. Figure out pain and pleasure. Mora na. Simplest form. Pain and pleasure. Figure it out. Now, maabot mo sa punto nga discussion about what you offer. Mo offer gali mo something, mo discuss gali mo sa unsay mabuhat nimo sa company. Ayaw mo pagstorya og mga jargons ha. Dili mo kinahanglan og kamoy pinakamaayo mo English ha. Kinahanglan nga kamoy pinakabugat og vocabulary. Because your purpose is clarity. Dapat klaro ka. How can you be clear? Talk as if you're talking to the dumbest person there is.
Sir,
Right.
Kadila sir, pa-hold lang kadi. Ganahan ko na nga point. Because most people who jumps into a meeting, mapa-interview mo na siya, discovery call, ang isa dyan silang una-una is, para makaginawa gamay Sir Red, ilang una-una ba kay, I need to impress. Ako ang kastarya. And one of the things nga ginahimo ana is kanang katuloy kanang i-flex ang comms, mogamit og mga kuyaw na mga words, mga inana ba. Pero kabalo ba mo tama tingin ni sir? Ayaw ninyo i-sacrifice ang i-sacrifice ang inyong gustong point isulti para lang gamitag mga jargons nga pwede man ninyo siya i-deliver as clear as possible. Mas mura ka pildi sa hanay ang mga kuyaw na words. Sabon ako, pildi jud sa hanay, labo nagnindot pagkahanay nga ang imuhang pagka-plaster sa imuhang pag-explicar ba, bisaya na jud kay ni. Pildi bisag unsa pa na kanindot ang mga English sa imong kasabayan. Tungod kay with clarity, kanang cohesiveness sa inyong pagtubag shows so much of your capabilities and how deep is your understanding and unsa kang klaseng tao when you start working. Kaya kung hanay ka mo storya, hanay po ka mo trabaho.
Correct.
Dayon.
Tama. Very, very sakto gito siya. Again, it's all about clarity. Dapat klaro ka ma-explain. How klaro? Klaro as if you're talking to the dumbest person there is. You can even put that in ChatGPT. How do I explain my service to the dumbest person there is? And it becomes really clear. I'm not saying they're dumb. I'm saying na that's how you'll explain it. Para masabtan nila nga, okay. And you always have to connect your process to the solution that they want for their business. For example, automation. If you don't know automation, that means nga it's streamlining a business, either lang front end silang business like customer service. I-automate na to, sir. Ato nang i-streamline, so di na kinahanglan nga butangan nimog tao dira. Ato ra nang butangan og AI na mong buhat sa tanan, mag-lead mine, magkuan, mo set up sa booking, mo set up sa appointment, siya na bahala. So nga na ang dating niya. Pero how do I connect that as a solution to the problem that they had? Then talk about their problem. Kabaw ba ka, sir, sa problema sa majority of the business? Kaya ang problem dyan nila is always the front end. Nga kanang ilang customer service side bitaw nga if nay manawag na customer dili mo tubag dayon kay ma-hold manggod kay naapay ginakater nga lain. So di ba? Clarity. So ang ending bitaw sa tinuod. So murag makaget sila ba? Di ba? Makaget sila. So muana ka nga inigtawag mo sa ubang customer maput on hold nya di na nun makiter ang uban maput on hold na ay gusto unta ipangutana di gyapon makiter, so daghan nang mawala ang customer sa imuha just because dili streamline ang imuhang front desk or appointment setter nimo. Karon, sir, ang solution nato ana is automation. Automate na nato ang imuhang kanang business diha nga parts sa imuhang front desk or appointment center. Ang mahitabuan na, sir, kang automation, ang AI can cater all calls nga madawat nimo. So walay ma-hold, walay mag-wait on the line. That's the kind of solution it will give you. O di ba, klaro? Kagets? That's how clarity works. It's as if you're explaining it to a person nga walay idea ana ba. Di mo kinahanglan og jargons.
Sir
That's
Red,
how it, yes.
Neto mo tari ni pag-ulang kaayo. Ato na lang ni agihan since we are in this topic. Unsa jud ang aba kay murag structure?
Yes.
Kagay na nga intro sa ka, mangutana ka, tapos murag gani, is there murag roadmap for this?
There is.
Para lang mas
It's a
kay naman uban nga, di ba tamo tang inusa na uban visual, na auditory, sige sir, paday framework
yes,
na sir.
There is a structure. I've developed that structure. Naana siya sa redrunnertraining.com. Naana siya nga to. It's the structure I built for 9 years. It starts with a greeting. Introduction, simple. You don't have to be ang yung build rapport mong god nga nahibaw-an kay you have a dog or kanang you don't talk about personal stuff. The rapport na kinahanglan nimo i-build is connection sa iyang business. Personalize ba? For example, akong pasabton pag yung maayo ha. So,
sige.
Kasi mo sud ka sa greetings. Greetings pa lang apart. Wala tayo ka. Sir, I noticed ba, kay nag-research magugo sa imong business, I noticed this part kay murag nakapatay ma-improve na, but let's talk about that later. Personalize. That's how you connect with a business owner on a certain level.
Research ko about your business, grabe ka powerful. It means before pa ka ning sugod ni sulod sa interview, ni invest na kag oras, time, effort to know about them, which means unsa ka interesado and unsa ka sure kanang ganing ka seryoso sa kani nga meeting. Dili lang kani amba ka dito buhat ka. Have you had a chance to check our website? Wala ba ya? I'll check it after. Wala na, pildi na ka, sugod pala.
Ani mo god. Usa sa reason nganong it's an emotional anchor is because we like to talk. If someone talks about the things that we're doing as if they did like ni hatag sila oras ana ba, it gives us a sense of pleasure. Oy, gi-check sa buwan mo, di ba? Tama? Murag ingani ang datingan ba, murag ang dating kay Sir Ton, ati pa tira nimo no, nisudi ka og dagandagan day no, you're trying to be healthy ba. Nakita na ko sa imong page mga you're you were investing a lot of time there. Really, really good. Naka-Gcash dira, sir.
Ay,
500 lang.
ay.
Di ba? Di ba?
Ayaw lang po namingon ka nga, gistop pila ko imong Facebook. Nakita na ko imong mga post kay antay ano man antay ka ng lisod pod. Ayaw kay mo pasok ka ng anak pad nga medyo controversial. Keep it light, keep it simple, keep it lang kanang casual.
Diba? So that's it. The purpose of that is more about you're talking to someone about their business, and especially if you hop on the discovery call, already creates a certain level of connection nga. Uy, importante nimo akong business kay you took time man. So na kay mga idea ni okay, I'm willing to listen to you. Karon, most people will talk about immediately and pitch. Diba? So, but you don't. Like I said, diba, una pa lang alignment. Karon napag gitawag nga strategy. This strategy is what I call disqualifying statement. Explain ko na ha. You wouldn't find this anywhere else. It's something I've developed myself. This is a strategy nga I developed, disqualifying statement. Now, let me explain why it is a disqualifying statement. Kamong mga babae dira, if you go into the Watsons, you don't like being sold. Pasabot ana, you don't like someone chasing you or nagasunod-sunod nimo while shopping. Why? Because it makes you feel uncomfortable. You just wanna buy in peace, di ba? Di mo ganahan masundan-sundan. That's sales. She's trying to sell you. So, dili. Pero, kintahay. Ako ang salesperson. Ako tahay ang babae. So, pababae sa tahay ko. Ako tahay, inigsod nimo as a customer mo. Anak ko, hi ma'am, hello, good morning. Kanang, wait lang. Ako din si Cindy, kanang kuan ko dire kanang sales ba. Now, kay ba ko mag-shopping ka ma'am? In case na lang kay question sa products ba, pwede ra ko nimo i-approach. Nara ko sa kilid nga to lang ko. Ha? Okay ra ka? 'Di ba? Then you go back to your position. If that person browses na sila pangutana kinsay una pangitakon. 'Di ba?
Si Cindy. Pero ako pangutana sir, kadali lang. Grabe ka specific. Cindy jud sir. Asa lagi ka ni Cindy?
Tumbot na yun. Mura mag
prepare mo kay Cindy. Asa ka dyan Cindy ka?
Kung kita si Cindy na. Pero mo to, that's just an example ba? So, ato na ibutang sa call, the reason why we try to disqualify is because we want to remove, gitawag na tog sales guard. We want to drop our sales guard. Kitang tanan dili, ganahan mabaligyan. Bisag sa mga, saka na to sa cyber zone, ingkon nga, dagpanon gitag mga cellphone mga muratag di ko mapalit og cellphone mara magduolon ka tanan ba, di ba?
Sikat kay kadto.
Sikat kay kadto. So you have to remove the sales guard. You have to let them understand that you're not there to sell. So ingani na to siya buhaton in a sales or discovery call setup. You just say, you be honest. Mo ana kang I understand I may not be like I don't know everything. I'm willing to admit that. I know things. I am well averse with my skill set and knowledge, but of course, like I said, there's no one solution to everything. We have to figure it out together. If we work together, if we get the chance nga akma ang akong ma-offer nimo sa imuhang business, then we get to work together. If dili, okay ra. Kagets mo nganong isulti na ninyo to make them comfortable, you're giving them permission to say no. And usually, when you give people the permission to say no, they're more akin to listen to unsa gina-offer nimo. They're more willing to accept and be not judgeful sa mga words nga magsugod og gawas nimong ba. That's why it's a disqualifying statement. You're trying to remove their doubts, their kanang kasi tawag na deal sales guard daan ba. Mao na siya ang first instance nga makahatag ka sa mga solution na imong ipangbungat later, kadi sila mag-doubt nimo. Simple lang, wala gina. Imorang yan, I don't know a lot of things, and of course, I want to make sure that I don't give you generic answers. I want to make sure that it's in line with your business problems. But like I said, this just be comfortable. There's no obligations here. I'm just here to figure out if we're a match. If we're not a match, that's okay. But if we are, then we can do business. Sounds fair? Diba? It's very fair. Very, very fair.
Kaya
Kana,
wala kasi
that's
sa
the,
mga conversation good. Kadali lagi.
mm,
Mostly, pag dili good mag-materialize ang project, kaya ma-remember ka nila.
mhm,
And balikan ka
yes,
nila. Balikan ka
tama.
nila because kabalo ka nang ganahanay ko ato niya kay wala siya nag-hard sell. Ganahan ko ato sa
Mm.
iya kay i-present lang niya and wala na jud siya nag-materialize kadi pa may fit ato nga time. Time sa nako naisip pwede ata nako ni itrabaho with him. Kabalo ko mo niya ang specialization. Ako to siya i-contact. I've had
Mm.
that multiple times. Balikan ka ba? And when, kanaganing mo rin the second time around makita mo, it becomes mas fit pa. Mura ganig love at second chance.
Char.
But ayun sa,
So that's it. That's the early structure na siya. Gikan sa greetings, disqualify ka. After disqualifying, you say, so in order for me to figure out ang say problema sa imong business, I have to throw you a couple of questions. And then we'll go from there. Then filtering questions. The next the first question is the pain points. You have to figure out unsay pain points. Mo na to. Second question is you have to figure out unsay yang pleasure, unsay outcome yang gusto. And then third one is the gap. Kanos pa niya gusto maabot pero nganong wala pa niya naabot karon. Sa kanila nga mga questions. The next is you say based on what you told me. Oh, so man nimo pag gusto mo pagbawi sa client nga siya may nisultihan na tanan. Manang maana ka nga based on what you told me. This is your problem. This is the outcome that you want. This has been going on for this amount of time. And I think and I believe I can close the gap for you. This is my specialty. You talk about the benefits of what you can do to their business. Like I said, with the clarity and the intention nga you're helping. And then, discuss mo sa price and brackets. Karon, for example, naka-discuss na ka. Nahatag na nimo ang business ug ang imong solution. Karon, most of you don't know how to put a price on your head. Like I said, prime man lagi ta nga ang atohang naandan ba is kanang below or basta mosaka lang gamay sa 600 kahit sana 600 nga a day okay na murag premium na for me but no kay you're underselling yourselves sa gawas in the United States they hire people especially in the same job position senior or daily you're looking at around 50, 35, $75 an hour. Diba? So, if imo siyang hunahon, $25 is already reasonable. But why nga nung ang inyong competition diri nga dapita is why are you trying to compete kinsay pinakababa? Diba? With the same skill set, with the same solution that you can give to their business, regardless of how much time you give to their business. Dapat ang inyong price point o inyong bracket reasonable for you. Don't try to undersell. Try to be I'm not saying bundak po maayo nya wala kay experience. I'm saying be reasonable. Tagay po og bili inyong kagalingon ba. I've been selling different kind of services pero wa jud ko ni maba og kuan wa jud ko ni sa 2020 wala ko ka tungkad o ubos sa 500 kanang mga 500 na ko mga very small services na siya mo na right now na nako sa price bracket nga makaingon ko nga very very unbelievable ada na lang nga
tayo sa sir kay kasi yun ma-excite ang mga tao ba. Sige, before ta mo-proceed, klaro ba? I just wanted to check
yes
check
klaro ba
real quick. Yun kasi doon nagkatik-atik rin na sila
katog na mo sorry kaayos magkatabihan
murat na mga mata ba o unsa ba gusto na ko i-check with klaro ba ang inyong mga nasabtan yung nadunggan karong adlaw because I just posted sa Mewe Red anak ko nga na ako'y question karong taod-taod sa makatubag and kanang tarong in clear na ay 500 pesos ko asa na makita na ning apel na mog libre nakatuon na mo bayaran pa mo 500 kung makatubag mog tarong ay Pangbunalan to mo karon. Sige. Klaro ha, klaro yung so gi-share na ni Sir Red sa inyo ha ang iyang structure, ang iyang framework. Now, before ta mo proceed, gusto lang ako masabtan yung tanan na kaning gipang among gina-discuss diri karon na ana ni naga-exist ni siya sa redrunnertraining.com. Libre ang access, gikapoy na og balik-balik. Libre ang access ani dito. You can explore different courses, different learnings dito, and there's simulation nga inyo ning ma-apply ning ani nga mga techniques. Okay ba? Sige sir, padayon.
So yeah, thank you, Ton. Yes, siya sa redrunnertraining.com. Ang akong structure nga I've developed for years. It's a 9 years worth of kanang testing. Giluod na ko sa kong kagalingon, naduwal na ko, gikatawan na ko og client, gikan sa pinakauna hangtod karon, grabe na nako revise. Hangtod naabot ko arong posisyon na. And it started paying off at a level nga wa jud nako na imagine 2024 until 2020 until now. So mao na nga karon libre siya, but it's not gonna be free for long because sobra kamahal i-maintain sa website because of the simulations. So please, yeah, you have to you can go there, check it out. Mao na siya.
Yeah.
Now,
Sige, sir. Next up, siguro, sir. Sige, so we've already talked about your previous, how did you get into this industry? And well, just a sneak peek lang, sir. Usa di ay imong ginahimo karon para na idea ang mga tao. Okay, of course, we've been also talking about this, that the real nga goal here is to scale ang imong business kay di man ta empleyado, to scale our business to a point wherein makaingon ta nga, okay, I'm at a certain point na I'm ready to scale, and dala sa scale is to open doors for opportunities sa ubang tao. Pero right now, let's just talk about exactly unsa imong ginahimo. Okay, basta inyo kabalo ko sales ni nga sales coach or sales ni si Sir, how to siya expert. But I want to understand unsa ang asa niya ginagamit ni karon nga mga nahibalaan. Kasi sa dili maayong butang pero may nagklaro.
Okay. So if you have seen AI slaps and videos, kana siya na mga buta kay I do sell automation but it's very limited raman. I sell a lot of stuff but karon ang core focus nako nga kaka-start lang nako year 2025 is selling content production to filmmakers, to executive producers, to screenplay writers sa US, and also to writers, sa mga authors sa US. So that's what I do. Kaning structure mangod sa AI Slap, na yung AI Slap, it's a big save for producers because it takes a lot of kanang gipaubos ang budget na necessary nila ba igasto to create visuals para lang i-propose na siya sa mga investors. So di na nila kinahanglan nga script lang ang ihatag, na sila visuals daan. Karon I'm working with 2025 I've been working with Gush Cloud Entertainment. Gush Cloud is a company, I'm in partnership with them. It's a company in Singapore. Under nila ng BTS, under nila si Jackie Chan, under nila si Niana Guerrero.
Casual lang kay giagihan ni Sir ang BTS, no? Og sila Jackie Chan. Padayon. Giagihan lang sila.
So mana ang mga partners na ko ana so kuan kanang kanang from there I've met directors, executive producers nga naka-produce na kuan kanang mga international films. I'm also working with European executive producer gyapon. So this is the kind of service that I'm selling as of the moment. Mana siya ang negosyo na ko. I've also worked with Kuya Kim Atienza. I've worked with kinsa pa Coco Martin for certain projects.
Basic. So, yeah. Sir, Coco Martin. So, Batang Quiapo in the house. I'm here.
Naunay ka dire.
Kamay, basic ang mga inano ng mga project. So, with that, obviously, you guys would have an idea that Red here, ang iyang ginahimo is na nasa at certain level nga nasa mainstream na ang iyang katrabaho. Buko. Sige, ikaw Christian, wala kay labot sa 500 ha. So, Sir Chris, Sir Red, unsa like if you are without giving figures, no, para lang na idea ba, and how do you usually, and how did you reach that point? Unsa ang feeling nimo, Red, when you were katong first time nimo ang nibungat og presyo nga anak kadako nga medyo
Una
na
ko man
mga
murag
tag
wala ko nahadlok anak to. Like, wala na siya I wasn't scared because I know the
Mhm.
value I'm bringing in, mo god. So pag para lang tagaan ka mong idea, I'm somewhere in between $50K to $100,000 per client. Karon,
sa bato sir pila to sir?
50,000, sorry, 30 to $100,000.
Sa buwan ko ha, that's 30 grand to 100 grand. Guys, dili pesos ha, that's dollars.
That's dollars.
Oh, sige.
That's where I
Casual,
operate.
basic lang. Dili ta magpa-shock Damel Rosa. Dili ta magpa-obvious nga na shock ta. Dapat nonchalant lang ta, normal.
Yeah.
Dahil sir. So,
So,
what does that, how does that work for you? And kanang I know na may uban gud nga dagko nga project tas dili na nila
Yes.
ma-sustain ba nagmurag one off lang. Pero in your case, I know based on conversations that this is a thing. This is like repeatable na projects based on referrals and all. How did you manage to retain and connect with these kinds of clients? Because I know nagsuod gyapon ni sa imuhang sales call ginaunsa nimo pag take care sila ha.
Kuan, kanang ako sa kuan mo gud to, it's a one-time project. And then I always have labels and boundaries sa contract ba. I always say I handle my own time, I make my own deals. So ang ending, they just have to wait. Like they're giving me all the time I needed to produce all the things. I'm just giving them updates from time to time. Now here we are, morning updates. I stay connected with them without making with so much effort gani nga murag bugbugon ko nila, because I wouldn't want that kind of environment. You have to give me the time to be a creative. Now, siguro murag dali kay siya sa ako is because ang una dyan akong gi-learn is negotiation. Diha dyan ako negotiation, sales conversation, client psychology. Kay murag sa client psychology ba, parisong gibuhat nga strategy kay Queenie nga bungati og 1,000. Dako na sir, sige, bungati ligi 1,000. Inigbungat nimo 1,000, mingon gani nang what if mingon og yes? Sige, let's go. Di swerte ka.
Di ba?
Mamali ako, that's what I'm thinking. What if I say, imagine ha, mahatag kog bracket sa usa ka client nako. So we're in the range of $30,000 to $100,000. Do you see yourself in between? Mo na siya, that's too much. We have something lower. Diba? Gikan sa bracket nga mahal, gihatag ni gilabay nimo sa mas barato. So reasonable gyapon. Ang reason lagi, yes.
Pero Red, also you have to understand that you attract the people kung kinsa ra pod nga people pod ang imuhang gina reach out, contact. So pag ikaw ako na lang diretso istorya ha, ayaw mo ka-offline na. Pero kung ang inyuhang pag-carry sa inyong kaugalingon, inyuhang pagbaligya, inyuhang pag-package inyong services, kay pang sidewalk vendor, dili ka ka-expect og mga pang glorieta nga mga Greenbelt 1, 2, 3 na mga customers pod. So, lisod kaayo nga musulod inaning na mindset mo bungat ko ani nga presyo, pero ang imo gibungatan pod kita man nimo daan nga wala man dyan ni kangho pod. Gets ninyo? So you have to level up your services, your packaging, and how you carry yourself, which ultimately your branding, to a certain point wherein you can, I price it this way. Kay kabulo ka, sometimes kabulo mo anang as a customer, kaya ganing ma-challenge ka ba? Tingnan ka nga, ay, 100 pesos ba? Ani ka? 100? Dua ah! Ilima, ihatag si mong anak ang uban, ipaslang siya ba. Ngayon ano ba? So there is that level that you need to also understand nga ang kinsa man nga market imo ka istorya. Kinsa na nga market kay na sus katawa si Red. Kay when I was talking to Red, anak na sa ato siguro sa uban, labo na sa uban makadawgan ng 30,000, 60, $100,000 nga budget. Yung dako, tinuod dako. Pero you also have to understand nga ang ilang cost for shooting to produce this thing, if they are doing this sa traditional way, minilyon pod. Bayad sa mga tao, bayad sa mga crew, and also layo origin kayo. So it is how natin yung ganina na problema doon is positioning. If you learn how to position yourself in a way nga naaka sa inaning level, di ka maglisod labaw nag-strong imong foundation. Okay?
Tama. Perfect.
Tama na lang na to. Parang suman dyan, ihatag to siya. Ipas lang siya baba.
Isaksak sa baba.
I-challenge ko ito. 100 ang suman. Sige,
Tama. It's also a sales strategy. It's when you poke someone's ego. That's a sales strategy to. Nga para nimo kay murag nakamilos mo guro niya.
Oh.
But you have to be wary. Sometimes it's just a sales strategy. Wala na sila nakamilos. They're just trying to...
Modi ito, Red. Ganyan ganyan lang ko nagsunod-sunod ka sa Watsons. Sige siya sunod-sunod eh. Basig malay ko kawatan. Ako ni pamaliton tanan, B.
Yes, that's a sales strategy. It pokes someone's ego. When you're...
Wala, joke rin. Dili ko yun na mga buwang.
Like, when you're...
May pangutana. Do you have an output na
yes,
out in the world? Oh, naa. Flex.
Pero kaning mga outputs na ako ang ipang-deliver, basically, mostly magudana, if you're talking to clients nga nasa level of, kaning nasa idea of film, ilam lang i-kept as, nako sa non-disclosure ba? Pero nako yung output. If you want, pwede rin na mo ipakita. Okay na ton?
Ipakita to. Kato galing kasi gitong itong hero, tong si Lola. Si
Sora.
Oh, si Tandang Sora. I love that. I love si Lola. Oh, sige. Kani guys, tanawan ninyo. Amazed kay go kay possible I know AI exists, pero I didn't know that it can produce this level of output. So kana
share na ko akong screen ha. Makita ra guys.
Wala pa ata. Nana, tara. Oh, Nara.
Okay. We have 150,000 followers sa TikTok. And then we have also about 40,000 followers sa Instagram. So this is the business I'm offering. Namin yung office sa Singapore, California, and then here. So let's see.
Tandang Sora, magandang umaga po. Oh, Maning, Berto, magandang umaga din. Anong maipaglilingkod ko sa inyo? Tandang Sora, galing pa po kami sa bayan. Yung anak ko kasi may sakit. Kaya po ako naparito para makiusap po sa inyo. Abay, oo naman, Maning. Ba't di pa tayo humayo nang makita natin ang kanyang kalagayan? Medyo maayos na yung kalagayan ng bata. Parang nalingat lang to. Painumin mo lang ito ng pinakuloang talbos ng bayabas, ha?
Nako, maraming salamat po, Tandang Sora, at pinagbigyan ninyo kami sa aming kahilingan.
Ako'y uuwi na, ha?
Magandang umaga po. Magandang umaga po, Tandang Sora.
General Camilo, los Katipunan están intensificando sus ataques. Su presencia se ha vuelto cada vez más frecuente. Esos bastardos. Por eso debemos imponerles más impuestos. ¿Se atreven a desafiarme a mí y el gobernador general? ¿Qué debemos hacer ahora? No podemos permitir que hagan lo que les plazca. Es hora de ponerlos en su lugar.
Okay.
Tama na siguro to kay. Kita mo sa comment ato, when AI used right. That sums up everything, guys. Ato pala pakan mi, grabe. Sa man mga nonchalant magay ni. Nagpost na ko pangutana di ay. Sa anak ko sila, ang question kay unsa ang pangalan sa manok ni Tandang Sora sa movie. Walay nakatubag, mauna kay dili man mamina og tarong. Pangalan sa manok kay Coco o Earth.
Si Sherwin Balls. Si Cueva Balls.
Pangalan. Wala. Ni hala. Sir, nilangotanan sir. Ano sa dato na tools imong gamit?
Multiple tools. Tanang
It's-
nasuwayan na nako ang kuan. Different kind of tools sa AI nga video. So ang pinakagamit nako is Flow. Flow, kanang View 3, Kling, Runway, Luma, daghan pa. So, yeah. One na
Should
sige.
should we find should we try to find the person here? Kaya pwede. Di ba?
Pwede na.
So
Tapos,
that is the power of kakita mo sa theme for the last few sessions I had. It is how AI is impacting this industry and how you can leverage the use of AI and being able nga makauna ba sa mga mga butanga kay it really puts you as at the forefront of this kay mura man gud og kanang dili kay siya pagka kanang nasabtan sa mga tao pero once kasani karon gipakita ni Red sa Niwa ang iyang output, it really makes sense. Mura kanig pwede din ana di na mo timing comment ra isa nga grabe daw ka consistent spot on ang mga ang mga prompt ba and how consistent. So taga-ada may gamay lang na idea sir. Unsa ka lisod ug unsa ka dako nga parte in producing sin ani na mga quality output ang kaning inani unsay mga kailangan may tabo sa kailangan from a person.
okay. You need to be creative. You need to be in a level nga you can create stories. Kay kanimo good. Some people say, love, kuan kayo ang AI ron, AI slap na ako makita halos tanan. But that's not the part nga they're making money out of kanang YouTube or kanang monetization ba. Pero like I said before, di ba? Gihimo na ko siyang solution to a problem. Kinsa ang problema? Problema sa mga film producers nga sa una og na sila idea. Kanang idea mong good, i-propose na nila sa mga investor, Coca-Cola, unsa pa na as sponsors bitaw. Karon scripts lang ang ilang ipakita. Ang problema is og script lang na di kay convincing. That's why it takes time to make a decision. So they have to make kanang short version of the film para lang na ay makita ang usa ka kanang sponsor para lang mapayes nila. Duha ilang style lang. Ang usa gitawag na tong sleazy reels. Kanang sleazy reels mao na katong mga already made films ipagtagpi na nila nga murag Jericho Rosales tapos kuan sumpay na nila bisag wala nagtakdo ang mga character just to make a point of the story. Mao ang ikaduha is to shoot, which will cost a lot of money to do so. So this is a solution to their problem nga hala dako kay gitabang kay makita na mo among character, makita na mo ang settings na murag na imagine na mo na may pre-visuals sa unsay mahitabo sa film. If gamiton na nila as a tool to promote, tool to endorse to kanang mga sponsors, mga businesses nga willing to fund that project, mas dali. Because like I said earlier, we're visual. Kanang mas maka-decide ta og makita nato. So yeah. Now as a
True.
person nga willing mo musod ka ani, you need to be a creative. You have to have an understanding of how a story flows. Sa mga tools man good, masabtan na nimo na ba. Kung madugay sa sige nimo prompt nga unsay ka murag i-appeal nimo ang camera, i-appeal nimo ang level sa unsa ka duol, unsa ka layo. You have to understand unsay function sa lighting for their emotions kana. They're just mimicking emotions mo god. So that's it.
Wow. Guys, I'm kabalaka because we'll have another session with Red sa iyahang mga ganap, and understand that ako ug si Red are going to be working closely. Wala pa namo na pinamahan among Star Magic contract together, but
Yes.
it is on its way. Pero we have so much na plans, labaw na sa Red Runner Training, sa Crimson Creative Studio. So right now, gusto di na mo gusto i-overwhelm mo, no, pero siguro if there is something na inyuhang we would love to hear unsa inyuhang takeaway from this
Yes.
session. Advantage yun para po makabulog,
Questions
diba?
like
Kung may question ka na, pwede naman kutana, or forever
kutana.
hold your peace. Ano ba? Or forever hold your peace. Ask the question right now. And if you have like takeaways, adto mo dito sa page ni Sir Red, adto mo sa kong page, magbilin mo reviews dito. Libre ra taon ang muli. Libre ra mo leave og reviews, guys. Wala mo gipugos, pero unta nawe kasing-kasing mo bilin og reviews. Ni pautana, paunsa kung ang ni sulpot sa discovery call kay Pinoy HR na ay dili man na discovery call. Interview na siya pag iyon ana.
Basta
Wala
HR interview niya.
Interview na siya, dili na siya discovery call. Kay wala man wala man sila control sa business, wala kay ilhar kaniha gusto na ko masabtan ninyo nga kani mga HR nga Pinoy dili po na sila tawon tanan evil. Nana sila gina-follow na script, guys. Kung dili nila i-follow ang script silang questioning, sila po daw maputbol sa trabaho. Nasabtan ko ninyo. Nana sila yung mga qualifying questions.
Yeah.
Tanan demonyo na sila. Okay, recorded na ilang interviews na. Grabe na
Grabe sa Martin nila.
Oo, kaya nana sila qualifying questions. Kung dili nila nahimuon, sila po mo nagtrabaho. Naladyo upan nga hilas ang paminawon. Kana sila mga pasigipang dugo or pag may problema sa pamilya nila, ana ba? So, understand nga, instead na inyo silang kanang sulungon, inyo silang palamiag storya. Ana naman na, Jod.
Yes.
So, kanang ako ang prayers pa sa inyo is maka-timing mo o kanang buutan nga kanang HR. Okay?
Yeah, unsa pa, to add to that one, thank you, is ang HR manggod, like what Tony said, they're not affected by the business. They're there to prevent any risk getting into the business. That's why ilang mga question tied to behavioral aspects. Dili siya mostly nasa behavioral aspects na siya sa imong way to communicate. Kay ang ilahang purpose manggod is tanggalon ang kaninga tao is risk ba ni siya sa business if he hired. Mo na mangutana sila mga question like, how do you explain red to the color red to a blind person? That question is not kanang skill related. It's behavioral. How do you approach that question? So mo na ang HR. Mura na sila mga security guards.
Police pangkalawakan.
Mura sila mga police nga murag kanang ako mo barog dire, ako mamili kinsay makasulod o kinsay dili. To protect the business kana.
Manang mingon mo ba? Manang mingon mo nga ngano ang HR kay dagag mangutana ang kuan lagi, ang owner lagi sa business kay kanang diretso lagi na dali lagi pangutana kabalo mo nga no? Because the business owners were never trained sa inana nga sistema sa pagpang-apply. Mao bitaw nang daghan kaayong mga business owners ang magpataka ra pug hire kay di sila kabalo mo filter. Mo nang most of them would go to agencies para matabangan sila to hire people. Okay? Lapod koy kanang kalagutan ingon nga ay kanang mga mangayo o kanang intro video kay dili jud mi hard pass jud mi. Then good for you. Samot nang good for those nga willing to send intro video kay naman na sila rason. Wala man na gipangayo sa inyo para lang trip lang. Gusto lagi na kapulis lusura ni karon ang mga aplikante. Mga idog intro video daw inana. Para sa ko pag nang-apply ko og kanang cold callers. Akong gipangayo is 40 seconds lang na audio para ma-showcase nila ilang skills sa comms. Inana ba? Mga buang mo day mo. O na
So,
pangutana.
Sa unsaon pag negotiate na dili ra pod kayo grabe ka ubos ang rate. Okay. Now,
Kana.
dili mo gud ang aniha, if you go into a call sa usa ka job site nga nag-post nga tog $3, you already have na sila price point. Tapos ngano mo sulod ka mag-negotiate nga to nga nanam sila budget. Pero if ang imong kuan ka istorya is still figuring it out para dili
Ay,
ubos,
kansa.
imong i-level ang imong pricing sa skill mo, aspiring ka, if you know the process, kay ba kasi mong kagalingon nga masolusyonan nimo na nga part sa business, then ayaw pag-operate as bisag wala kay experience na kay knowledge. If that knowledge and skill set can help the business, then you are a solution. So ayaw baratay mong kagalingon. Just be straight, ayaw pagduha-duha, just say your price point, that's it. Mga nakagtento, nga, akong suggestion ninyo, basta musulti mong presyo, tagaan og wiggle room. Kasi pasabot. Instead of just saying $10, give it a wiggle room. That's, let's say, 10 to 15. Kana. My price, my rate is somewhere around 10 to 15 depending on the scope. Always yun na nimo iingon nga, depende siya sa scope. Ana siya.
Guys, pero mag-range mo wiggle room, tag 5 lang. Ay mo pag-range mo og 10 to 20, mura mo buang. Layo kay na siya. By 5 lang ba? Mura ganig kung mag-set mo og target mo audience, moingon mo nga ang age bracket sa akong target is from 25 to 30 years old. Inana ba? Guys, importante ni siya nga mga nitty-gritty when creating or when presenting ba. Pero understand nga naton-an ni nako, naton-an ni Red based on our experience. Dili ni sila mo
Yes.
ipagbira lang out somewhere else, out from thin air. Na question pa diri oh. Thank you, Sir Red. I am a video editor but ang gi-focus na ko ron kay magtan-aw og YouTube. Di ba? Kay mag-learn og cinematic vlog. Kanahan ko mong gamit sa akong skills freelance. So, my question is, unsaon nako pagsulti sa akong uyab nga na ako'y lain nga uyab. Di ba? Sa client or nag-relate ilang problema sa laing client since pala ako experience as a VA. Since wala pa ko experience as a VA?
My question, wait lang.
Wala. Di, naglibog mo tanan na. Pero akong gibasa.
My question is, saan ako ni pagsulti sa client or pag-relate ilang problem sa laing client since wala pa ko experience as a VA. Okay, as a video editor, unsay target nimo, di ba, mga content creators, mga coaches, kay they're using video for promotion. So ano mag-promote sila? Isn't that because it's still directly affecting the revenue? Nga mga client nga makuha, mga leads nga makuha nila from the video, kay may reason nga nung magpa-edit sila ang video. If these are coaches, nga imong reach out. If imong gina-offer is more on the creative part, of course, ikaw na mo hatag og price point ana. You have to have samples ba, ipakita nimo. Nga mao na imo mga samples nga nahimo if creative ka, if creative siya ba. Pero kay niya na maka VA, so I'm expecting your clients or you're looking for clients nga either starting content creators or mga coaches, mga online creator, online courses maker. Kay kana sila usually magpahimo na sila video na sila yung mga assets nga video ila panghimuon, mag-hire sila og video editor. So,
Sir Red, also I can add, ano mo siya, unsaon niya pag-relate sa mga unsaon pag-relate nako sa pagsulti sa client sa ilang problema. So one thing you can also do is understand unsa man ni sila, kinsa man akong gusto baligyan. Yes, na asset. So unsa may problema na wala sila oras to produce their own videos, but they can shoot videos. Na sila daghang raw video silang phone, di nila kabalo unsaon nila pag edit, wala sila oras. So that's one problem you can address. Ikaduha, dili sila kabaluon sa mga angles ilahang pwede kuhaan or inana ba. So you can also present it that way nga kung inaani mo problema, I can also help you. Mingon ka nga inana ba. So if dili ka, you can use your own experience imong sariling as kung imo ibutang imong kagalingon as a kanang content creator or inana ba para makasabot ka unsa kay mga problema nila gina experience karon no kay para mo to kung i-address mo to i-present ka na ba kay katugingon ni Sir ganina pwede kani problema kani and I have solutions to that because I am also just like you also a content creator. I do that and I also go through that, but you know what inaingon nga always ba nga kana ganing ang mga karpentero kay has the worst house. Inana ba? So you can say it that way. Marag, kung ako, content creator ko, I'm also struggling with, I'm a video editor, pero I struggle editing my own videos, pero I am good at editing other people's output. Inana ba? So you can present it that way, man God, if you wanted to, if you wanted to relate to them properly.
Yeah, and also I want to add to that. Okay, I think we are pointing out mo good, if ganahan ka mosod pagka VA as a video editor, you have to learn the structure of hooks, B-rolls, kanang
BTAs.
captions, mana siya imong importante nga tun-an. Kay mo na para nila ang ilahang magong purpose is to kanang get attention ba? Attention sa market of like social media. Nga from attention it turns into views. Views turns into leads turns into clients, mora na ilahang purpose. That's why you have to dili ang cinematic manggod is more on creatives, so lahi po na siya nga market. So if VA ka, murag less ang cinematic content as a VA or say more on unsaon paggamit sa imong video editing skills to help this client convert convert those mga kita sa video para mahimo niyang client pod. Murag ingana siya nga style. Yes.
Yung tala di last pa isa ka po tanad sir kanang nada siya mga ihan previous mga kliyente kay mga Pinoy unsa day rate karon as a some graphic designer. So right now I think ang graphic designer would range from kung full time ka ha, depende mo gud gyapon na sa skill ba o sa imong ginagamit mga ana ba. So na mga designers karon nga kanang very kanang naga illustration jud, Adobe Illustration, mga ana naga Figma. So yes sir.
Hey, I was about to say if graphic designer ka, to be honest lang no, barat kayo gamay kayo sweldo karon, you have to upscale that either to an SMM, social media expert ka ba para magamit nimo imong design for the purpose of helping a business. Kaya kanang mga ipang post nimo, same gyapon ang intention to gather interest from people. If a social media is a business, or if a business has a social media, ilang purpose is to use that social media to promote their business, to gather more leads, to be known, para mas nasa ilang front sa ilang business is much more recognized ba. If you can use being as a graphic designer tapos patungan animo pagkat-unog unsaon pagka maayo as a social media expert. Promote it well.
Unsa may kano?
Kano sa kaya? Hello.
Mas is
Hello po. Okay na. Okay na sir.
Sa mo to, kanang graphic designer, sorry pero barat na jud kay naron. I'm not sure how much siya kay per project ra na murag nga na ang dating kay walay business owner manggod nga naay graphic designer nga bayaran monthly. It's per project.
Nagkanta mo idea. So I just hired someone. So another path for graphic designer is UI UX designer. Okay? So if you wanted to go higher than graphic designer, learn how to design funnels, learn how to design websites, front end, UI, UX. Again, ako ang i-hire last is 60K ang start. That's a start. Then, nana siya progression sweldo. That's in peso, guys. Okay? So, that could be something na you can, pwede nimo as basis. Nato siya di ko sure kung naa-dri kagahapon nato diri akong UI UX nagapil-apil ba. Di ko sure kung naa siya diri karon. Nag-comment po ta siya gahapon sa akong session. Okay, next question mga sir, unsaon pag-set sa boundary sa client every time naa siya idagdag na task nga wala sa agreement. Who?
So karon, if that's how you say it, dapat una pa lang gi-set na nimo daan. Because lisod mangod kayo i-set nimo, for example, and also the reason why maka-get in sa money purpose nganong kinahanglan ka makatunong sa pag-negotiate una pa lang. Because when you try to negotiate, even if he wins the prize, pasabot you're not willing to adjust the scope. O dili ka, you're not willing to adjust that easily ba? So ni mo pag-set nga huma naman nakapa naman nimo ang imagine ha, if wala ka naking negotiate una pa lang niya na ang client nga offerante ka $3 an hour. If niya na nakag-yes, tapos din na feel sa client nga, uy, kaning nga tao, yes man, yes sir, mudawat ra ni siya.
Inspirado ng trabaho.
Mo na ra siya lite nga pwede trabahoon po ninyo, pwede trabahoon sa ninyo. Murag inga dali ra kay isod sa iya ha, kay naanad man siya. Pero if pagsulod pa lang kinaunhan pa lang niya na ka nga $3 is a bit low for me. Let's try to negotiate. This is my price. How much can you offer? Murag inga na nga dating ba? So look, makakuha sa ng client nga this person knows knows his value. Bisag maingon siya nga that's too much for me. I can find another client. Then go ahead. Go ahead. Diba?
Go ahead.
Yeah, no, go ahead. Find those people, but it's not me. I'm not willing to go down just because you cannot afford me. Kana.
Or pwede ka maingon. Pwede ka maingon ani Jeff mo, yung ka Jeff so yeah, una i-acknowledge ni mo pagdaot sa trabaho. Just letting you know that I receive acknowledging that I saw the new task that you wanted me to do. Before I proceed, just letting you know that here's what I'm currently doing. Pack. And most of the time, or like, this would actually consume my entire day. Now, it's either you want me to remove some of what I'm doing. Kanilahin na siyang approach ha. If you want me to, like, park other things that I need to do today so that I can do that. Or, I can do that for extra on top of what I'm doing right now, but that would actually, I need to ask you extra payment for that. Inanara mo, just be direct. Direct mo na sila. Hindi mo kailangan to beat around the bush for that.
Yeah. Be direct because this kanimo ang reason mangod siguro to nga we try to beat around the bush because we were raised in an environment now we have to be respectful ba. Kana tong
ikapoy na ko lang respectful lagi ikapoy na ko.
Kana tong we were born and raised in a place coming from a place as a Filipinos na be respectful, don't try to become a problem to other people. Maragi nga galing tudlo sa from generation.
But abuse ka.
Yes, that's why it is a good quality but in a business setup it's not kay ma-abuse man ta kanang because US clients are very direct. If they don't want it, they don't want it. They say it. That's why they always say don't beat around the bush. Let's cut to the chase. Mo na nga mga linyahan nila nga to. So if you're talking about pricing, sultiin na lang this is an additional scope. I need tapos man na siyang ingno nimo nga I need mo lang itong gingon nito ni nga I need this amount X dollars as an additional to my sweldo. Kana. And they say nga you're asking too much kanang mangita na lang kog laing client nga laing chip. Go ahead. Don't worry. Because ang imong giganagamit dire is your leverage nga you understand his business from within, you understand his process. It's hard to find someone who understands that because mag-training na pud na, magtudlo na pud na, wag dili pa sila sure if mo last long pa na. Parehas na hitabo sa usa ka
Right, sir.
Yeah, parehas na hitabo sa usa ka comment sa akong video na gi-hire siya as kanang una appointment setter for $4 an hour. Wala siya nagig-negotiate niya. Yes, sige, go. Tapos ang ending kay pwede nimo i-manage ning 7 websites. Pwede ka mag-hiring. Pwede ka hangtod nga tanang na lang task na sa iya at $4. Karon nangutan nangayo siya og kanang raise nga sir, murag daghan na kayo og trabaho ba? Pwede ko mangayo og raise. Giingnan siya sa client nga if dili ka ganahan, then kanang mangita na lang kog laing DA. Murag iyang gigamit sa leverage ba? Karon he continued niya wala man gyud nadala so he left. Karon paghawa niya na-realize sa client nga kinahanglan niya siya. Then there's the race.
Wala na. Nahuman na ning biya na, wala na.
Use that as a
Makita nimong
leverage.
values sa tao pag wala na. Ano ra gyud?
Use that, imagine na, gamitan na as a leverage. Use that as a leverage. Ang inyuhang understanding sa business structure nila is more valuable. Pwede naman ka ningon nga, pwede gali nimo yung sige. I'm only asking raise because I want it to be fair and justifiable for the task that I'm doing, because you're paying me for as a one person for multiple heads of jobs. Because I'm wearing multiple hats. Appointment setter ko, HR ko, tapos karon web designer, web developer na gihatag pa ni mga tasks ako. So, I want to be paid in relation to the task that you're giving me.
Sir Red,
So,
can I am also ganahan ko ni nga topic, and this is coming from I'm gonna wear my hat as an agency owner, ha. Kanit. And I also working closely partners with clients. Walay kliyente nga willing mo let go sa isa ka VA, labo na ang VA sa valuable. Kung ang VA nga valuable, nainindot nga output and kanang naay ano ba impact, dili lang kay ga-produce og output pero na impact business wise ang ginahimo, dili gina sila let go. Mga na sa grace mo hatag jud ang kliyente. Pero kani man god aniha, we need to also understand before ta mangayo og raise og for extra job inana, ask yourself, have I been doing what I'm supposed to do, or I'm just clocking in and out daily? Sa kaduha, are you imong bandwidth ba is puno jud, or you're just working minimal lang? Nga usay magud ani sabtan to ba nga ang imong trabaho, aware na ang kliyente nga imong trabaho mahuma na ka in 4 hours. Kay dili man ka project based. You are paid man for 8 hours. Sa buwan ako ha, you're paid for 8 hours. So kung imong trabaho 4 hours, tagang ka bang trabaho, kung ikaw po mismo kasabot ka nga, murag, uy, bago lagi ni, pero wala ko ginihimo kayo. Dawata, pero you tell them, is this something that I'll be doing now moving forward? Just letting you know that inani, probably be going through learning curve for this, inani, and pero take it as something na kanaganing bagong skill imong ma-acquire. Pero kung puno na ka, dito ka moingon nga ay sa time sa murag kailangan ako extra nga bayad ani. Kasi I think kanang inani ba kanang pagpangayog raise kaning inani pag let go sa client, dili na sila something moingon lang ang kliyente nga kapoy naman ko nimo i-let go tika. Understand from my perspective as an owner's agency, mas hassle, mas kapoy, mas sakit, mas gasto ang mo-hire og bag-o. So bunako, masakit, gasto, kapoy mag-hire og bag-o tungod kay ang pagpangita ana mag-spend nag oras ako, ang pag-interview nako ana mag-spend pa na gasto, pag-explain ako sa kliyente mo ning bagong VA, gasto na po na siya oras, time and effort. Ang pagkatungingan na sila ganyan, ang pag-train, pagpa-immerse sa person, pagpasok sa sistema, ang adjustment period kaning tanan will take time. Walay mosulod to hit the ground running. That's impossible kung naaman mo na ginatawag nito na unicorn. So kung ikaw ang kliyente nas business ka and you are looking at the system imong gi-build dira and kanang nakay cash flow mo guni, this is all about cash flow, guys. Dili na siya dili ni about kanang ginatawag kanang luoy-luoy ta diri kanang charity work, dili na siya charity work, not unless kung giuyab niyo yung kliyente kana lahi na siya nga level of relationship. Pero sa karon pag kanang ginatanaw sa kliyente, smart ba nga i-let go na kuno siya kanang na siya grace, or smarter if I retain this? Pero nganong ako isipan i-let go siya nga kabulo mo kung maayo mo na siya nga trabante. So kung mahadlok mo mga grace, probably because dili pa inana ka concrete ang inyong foothold sa business. Gets ninyo? Kay kung confident ta sa atong ginahimo, kabulot ta sa atong impact, play daghang storya. Dili kay na ko nga kailangan ko extra. Mayroon pa rin kliyente, ay, of course, pila man na tagaan ka. Lagi ni uban, di na kailangan pangayuan. Nasabtan ba ninyo na nga perspective? Kasi gusto na ko masabtan niyo ba nga, there is more to it than what you can see.
Yes.
Okay?
Tama, very tama.
Tama.
Agree yun. So, kanina, sa napay mga questions na
Ato na kaning kay Melodina last na ni ha. Ug mangita na pod biglang schedule ni Sir Red ha. Just ko man. Ako anak natug na pa ko ka case ato.
Asa man ni? Kaning kang
Kaning
kuan,
lang din kaning habit same sa kuan ni resign ko kay di na kaya o niya no
wala
extra.
i-question na nito.
Ay sige
Kaning
sige.
kaning si Luigi
O kana
mga unsa
sir,
ni?
in line sa pag-close og clients, unsaon pag-package og price service nga ma-build og website, CRM og automation. Unsaon pod pagpangita sa mga tao na nag-need ay dali na there's is two different questions mas bugat tong second. Let's just focus on the first one.
Okay. Kaning actually I can answer both. Now,
Sige go.
ang kaning ang pag-close ang inline mo gud sa pag-package mo gud, it involves research. Unsay current market price. So if mag-package ka, dali ra jud kay research na bitaw. Kanang for example, ang package nimo tulo lang gyud na because we are much more easier to find or to pick an option if it's just gamay lang ba. That's why always yun na naka 3. Basic, premium, basic, standard, and premium. Ang basic, ako, ga-charge mo ko ang automation before, akong basic is somewhere around 1.5 to 2.5. Ako ang standard is around 5,000 to 7. Akong premium is 10,000 plus. So, kana, sample structure na siya nako. Karon, the reason nga nung inga na siya structure because you're giving the client a chance to pick unsay within sa ilang budget nga di ka kinahanglan nga maghunahuna og ayo ba. Kay ending mo na sila nga grabe mahala ra man sa tanan nimong package. Simple na kayo sir, pwede nato i-customize. Pilay budget ninyo. Kana. Now, ang the second question, you have the answer man ana good. Sa pagpangita, everybody needs an automation nowadays. Tanang business, US, UK, tanang business mag-need of automation as long as na sila, for example, customer service, na sila appointment setter. Pwede rin, ang pagpangita ni mong client no, intentional. Dapat ikaw mismo ang mag-scrape. Kaya bawal ka mangita Google, kaya bawal ka mangita LinkedIn, ikaw ang ina-intention mo directly reach out ba. Muna ang cold outreach. Kay mo dyan ay way mo para ma-offer yung automation. Kaya if mag-offer kag automation on a job site, you have to expect na it's a job. You're gonna be paid hourly. It's not gonna be in a system where you're gonna offer that as a service. Okay? Gets ba? You have to be, ang imong intention sa pag-reach out, kuan jud kanang you have to reach out yun directly yun cold outreach yun nga email message kana. That's how you'll do it. Then it's a numbers game. You have to understand that dili pasabot sa 100 nga i-reach out nimo tanan among reply naana mo reply, and that's where you position yourself as a helper. Diha na magsugod ang sales. Gets? Sabtan ra?
Sabtan ra medyo nagyaw-yaw ko diri sa may we put anak ko nga guys, we just realized here the discussions are real, we like laugh and we are pouring our hearts here kami ni Red, just sharing
Yes.
what we know, what we can. Ang amo lang yung goal is for you guys to listen, of course, to take what is useful, and of course og say gamit sa inyo di mo nyo kailangan gamiton i-absorb tanan. And
Tama.
last I said, I believe mga bright matang tanan kalimot ko butang nga tiguwang og nata sa sagtong pangisip kakabalo na mo unsa ang tama og dili. Okay, so ang ano ba murag usahay man good, just because the session is free di ato tagaan og value. Guys, o di man siya di man ni usik na oras. Happy mi ni Red to do this. Pero gusto na mo ba nga you come in here with the same intensity and willingness to absorb and learn and apply what you can sa inyong journey. Okay?
Can we show them Freelancer War Room real quick?
Sige, go! Show. Go ahead!
So guys, this is the Freelancer War Room. This is the dashboard right here. It's works like a game. If kani ang mga lesson, and to tell you honestly, kani sa nga lessons are structured in a way nga magsugod mo sa from the very beginning unsa ko if mosulod ko og VA. You have to understand if getting into the freelancing industry, you're trying to sell a service. That's why I always want to discuss the importance of sales sa mga VA, freelancers, cold callers. Now, ang next to that is how do I start? So complete beginner friendly ni siya, no? How do I start? Kaya na sa naka-discuss ni Tony yan about kanang transferable skill gani. Kana bang kanang yes na kay skill set sa call centers nga pwede nimo ma-transfer dire. O skill nimo as an editor, ma-transfer nimo dire as a VA unsaon nimo na pagbuhat. Karon, ang the next step is unsaon nimo pagpangita og client. Nakoy client hunting blueprint, unsay mga tools pwede nimo gamiton, unsaon nimo pag-reach out. Kanin wala koy gina-gatekeep diri ha, and it's free for now. Kani wala gatekeep. Lastly, kay mahal mo gud kay i-maintain, wala mahal jud kay i-maintain. And
Oh,
I'll let
mahal
you
yun.
know why. I'll tell you why. Karon, the fifth lesson currently is katong atong gisgutan karon, the structure para sa usa ka conversation. I'll show you why this whole entire website is a little bit expensive to maintain because I'm integrating a simulation. Kani usa pa lang ako gibutang diri ha kay I'm testing out the rest mongol kay nakapopulate ni daghan ni kay ni before. Kaning simulation, this is where imuhang imuhang i-apply tanan imuhang nakatunan sa training sa courses nga naay mga client nga mag-pretend. Oh, the AI will pretend as a client. Karon it's still we're still fixing this kind of So yeah, as you can see, right now kuan pa siya kay I'm still fixing this one, but this should be up and running soon. And then natay leaderboards. So it's like among progress is tied to kada na po yung recognition to your progress ba na po tay cash prizes. Kay naman tayo simulation contest kanang kinsa pinakamaayo pinakanindot og scoring sa kuan sa simulation. Napo tayo 1v1 kinsay kinsay pinakamaayo sa inyong
Baganay,
duha.
1v1 sa baganay.
Natin nga na. Mo ni ang kaning makuha ninyo dire, it's a course but is also a training ground. Now, I will show you. Pwede mo ba ito? Maka-extend pa tabi sa mga 10 minutes.
Okay ra.
Kanang, I will show you sa message here because we're helping people. We're not, wala lang ta kuan ba. Sean, if nakadiri siya na, ako lang sang kuha ng recordings dire. Papaminawon ta mo sa usa ka recording gikan sa simulation bitaw. Nga, ang simulation ha, imagine na ni, ang simulation nga akong gipangbuhat, gi-prompt na ko na tanang agent ana to say, to be very, very, kuan nga, murag i-pressure ka ba? I-pressure ka,
Na-feel na
ang
ako.
gi-prompt na nako gani nga kanang dapat mo dili yun sila nga murag always say nga sige well kanang dili ka i-hire ba? That's the prompt. Unsa ni mo na pag-use ang structure para ang ending ma-hire ka. So, ang structure mo work nakuha na ko. Mo work gid siya in any kind of setup. So, I'll just give you a hint.
Good to meet you. Thanks for joining the call today. A quick question before we start. What do you usually go by?
Most people call me Mary. It's great to meet you as well. Before I jump into my background and specifics, I want to make sure I'm not providing a generic overview, so I'd love to ask you questions first to understand what you're trying to accomplish with the brand and where the current bottlenecks are. Does that sound fair?
Okay, cool, Mary. That sounds fair. I appreciate you wanting to dive right into understanding the brand. It shows initiative, which I value. So, go ahead, ask away.
I appreciate that. When I talk to coaching brands running multiple platforms aggressively, I usually hear that they're either struggle to maintain a consistent brand voice across every channel, or the high engagement they're seeing just isn't translating into actual sales. Does either of those resonate with what you're seeing right now?
That's a really sharp observation, Mary. Both of those points definitely hit home. We're putting out a lot of content, and while the engagement numbers look good, I'm always scrutinizing whether that's truly converting into tangible growth for the business. And yes, maintaining that consistent voice across Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok with all their different nuances is a constant challenge.
It makes total sense that balancing those nuances while chasing conversions feels like a constant battle. If we were to solve those two issues, what are you ultimately hoping to accomplish by bringing a strategic partner into the team right now?
That's a good question. Ultimately, I'm looking for someone who can own the social media outcomes, not just the tasks. I need a strategic partner who can translate those engagement numbers into actual business growth and ensure our brand voice is not just consistent, but also impactful across all platforms. I want to see a clear strategy for how we move from likes to leads and then to loyal clients.
It sounds like you're looking for a bridge between being loud on social media, and actually driving the bottom line. To get a sense of that scale, how long has this gap between high engagement and actual lead conversion been happening? If things stay exactly as they are for another 6 months, what do you think the ultimately costs the brand in terms of those lost loyal clients you mentioned?
That's a very direct way to put it, and I appreciate that. This gap has probably been noticeable for the last 4 to 6 months. We've scaled quite a bit, and with that growth, the complexity of truly leveraging social media for conversions has increased. If things stay the same for another 6 months, wait, that's a tough one to quantify exactly, but I'd say we're easily looking at tens of thousands of dollars in lost potential revenue, not to mention the missed opportunity to solidify our position in the market with a stronger, more cohesive brand presence. It's about more than just money. It's about momentum and market share.
So, if I'm following correctly, there's a massive gap right now between the effort you're putting into being loud and the tens of thousands in revenue and market momentum that's currently slipping through the cracks. If we could bridge that gap and ensure your content finally translate into those loyal clients you mentioned, what would that be a top priority for the business right now?
Yes, absolutely. Bridging that gap is a top priority. It's crucial for sustainable growth and for truly maximizing the impact of our content and brand. We've built a strong foundation, but now it's about optimizing and ensuring every piece of content serves a clear strategic purpose.
Based on everything we've talked about, the main challenges are reclaiming those lost conversions and making sure your brand voice doesn't get diluted as you scale. That's exactly the type of strategic ownership I specialize in. I'd recommend we move into a strategy phase where I can show you how audit these bottlenecks and map out a plan for those loyal client conversions. Would you be open to exploring how that would look?
All right, that sounds promising. I'm interested in seeing what you can bring to the table. Let's discuss next steps and how you envision this strategy phase unfolding. I'm curious about your approach and how you'd tackle these challenges head on.
I'd love to show you how we can turn those engagement numbers into a predictable lead engine. The next step is for me to run a quick audit for for your current funnels and brand voice across TikTok and Instagram so I can present a tailored roadmap to you. Do you have your calendar handy to see if later this week works to go through that together?
Okay, cool. A tailored roadmap sounds good. I appreciate you taking the initiative to dive in. Let's see. I do have my calendar handy. How about Thursday afternoon, say 2 o'clock Pacific time? Does that work for you to go through the audit and roadmap?
Yeah, Thursday at 2 p.m. Pacific works perfectly for me. I'll send over the calendar invite right now so we're locked in. Between now and then, I'll be diving into your feeds to pinpoint where those conversions are dropping off so we can hit the ground running. I'm looking forward to showing you how we can stop that revenue leak and turn that momentum to actual growth.
Okay, sounds good, Mary. I'll keep an eye out for that invite. I'm looking forward to seeing what you uncover and the roadmap you put together. Thanks.
Ako na stop there, ha? Okay. So, if you can hear me, can you guys hear me? So,
Yeah, yeah.
like I said, the structure of the AI is designed to say no, but it ended up saying yes. Okay? That's the how important the structure nga akong ginahatag sa module 5 when you decide to learn here. I'm sorry guys, but it's a little kaning opportunity man God. I'll just share with them ton ha. Nga kanang we're building this to fix our habits, the habits of aspiring and even the pioneers nga freelancers nga hangtod karon wala gyapon movement when it comes to their skill set level kay pangdagko na pero ang presyo pang newbie pa. Diba? So, teaching them how to position themselves during negotiation or conversations, discovery call, that's the purpose of the platform. Karon, since it's an online course, of course, kita manggod nga naa sa industry, nga dapat also we have to learn how to, dapat na atay practical nga actual practice ba? Mao to ang simulations. But kanang simulation mo, pinakamahal nga gasto ani nga part because it's credit-based. So every time mo interview mo, gasto ka na sa kuha. Every interview you make, it cost me 100 to 200 pesos nga per call, ha? Imagine na sa mo kadaghan nito. Now, karon,
Anak ka dato si Red. Sorry.
karon, right now we're giving it for free kami ni Sir Tony. But hopefully, but we plan to, of course, monetize and add a paywall to this because we see so much value in it. But at the same time, we want to make sure na pwede na mo siya ma-maintain long term. That's the only reason why we're adding a paywall. The next benefit of this is because we're going to create another platform for the client hub. Kanisiya is your this is your training ground for you to be able to make an offer nga dagko. The other one is the client hub. The client hub is only and only connected ani nga platform. So, kibalig mangita sila og mga VA with specifically na specification sa niche, ilang buhaton is basta ang ilang ma-browse ngadto are people who are trained dire nga nanay certificate. Magbutang mo tag certificate diri. Pasabot ana na complete mo yung training sa specific nimo nga market o sa specific nimo nga niche. So nanagali ka certificate
mo ba? Vetted mo sa platform, makita inyong scores, makita inyong performance, making it easy for them to hire you guys.
Yes, so that's the purpose of this. Ang katusag sa client hub is it's a hub nga dili ko mosugot ba nga mobutang sila how much price are you offering o barat kini kayo mo automatically siya nga that's very small compared to the market price ani nga diri nga hub because these people are well trained and have the skills. And this is to make sure na ma-prevent nga mabarat mo sa clients. So
Red, I was just thinking ba, mura siya og kung I don't know if this is possible. This is something I just thought right now. Mura gani siya og swipe left and right. Kung mag-match mo
exactly.
good, mag-match mo sa projects na alignment, mag-match mo sa inyong work style, o mag-match mo sa pricing, book call diretso. Ano ra kasi
hindi na siya structure as Tinder. So murag swipe left, swipe right ra. So kanang atong structure ani is mag-prompt sila na sila i-type nga to what are you looking for. So AI based siya, i-prompt niya mugawas sa dira tanang related nga mga na-certificate nga mga tawo mga nag-train diri may certificate mo gawas na sa ilahang hub and then pwede na sila mag-swipe right, swipe left. Ang karon ang gusto unta na ko nga idea is to kay again they're hiring you for your skills or they're hiring you for as a solution to their problem man. So atong buhaton sa mga ipang butang ninyo nga to from your resume, from your mga projects na gihandle, makita nila na video form kana gani mga sample projects lang for you ba para inig-browse nila left and right makita nila unsay structure nga okay kaning tawhana sa karne nako. Pwede nila i-book ang call diretso. Pwede the call will either happen inside para kuan sa web app na to. So that's the plan na mo ni Tony for this. That's why hopefully you're going to support it. One day we're not even planning to make it an expensive paywall. Only reasonable to maintain it lang because though kaya na ko but it's not mean hot doon na lang po na ko ang akong balance nga kay na I'm doing this for my pamilya no. So it's all about us and in the end ba itong mga plano but I also want to help ganahan ko mo tabang sa mga tao nga nabarat always. Actually, nanatay mga results ton those who went under training nga for 6 years bayad $6, $5 na naka-upgrade mga na gani. So yeah, this is
Guys, guys understand that there is so much plans in store for this. Ingon mi di may maligya ay mo kabalik di may maligya wala may baligya sa inyo karon. Amo lang giingon sa inyo unsay plano ani moving forward. Pero right now it's free. Panulod na mo dayon and try it. We have so much plans. It can be mura siya og direct hire pwede pod. Basta daghan kayo ang amuang giplano dira and we wanted to launch this and become a national thing na kanang Philippine Jude level ang amuang launching ani, and right now it's just me and Red, and I think we can do it together. Ako kay ang iyahang kuan, ako ang clown. Ang brains inana good, but kita man ninyo ang dynamics sa mo karon. This is I think in whatever the session in your experience karon is how we usually talk to each other. So and that's why I think it's something na special ba tungod kay wala lang mo gipugos ang kaugalingon to be in this project. We both understand unsa among strengths, kaya namong strength, unsa among kaya idala sa table. And I guess that is again going back a full circle moment when we were talking about earlier nga know your worth by basing it off so what you can actually offer, so that pag abot nimo og pakigstura sa kliyente dili ka nag-guess kung unsa kaya ba nimo or dili. Mo ginaing ko sa inyo nga ayaw mo ambak sa kabutang wala pod moy kanang murag kanang dihado mo daan ba kay magmukha jud mong desperado, and when that happens kaya ra kay mo exploit. Okay, you are at their mercy. You should be coming in there in a place like, oh, I'm here. I have the things, I have it in me that can help you. Tell me tell me where it hurts ingon sa MYMP. So inana good para matabangan tika. Inana ra man kasimple, di ba? Expect more sessions with me and Red. I think next week and the weeks after that, because we want you guys to know the updates. Of course, we'll talk about more about in this industry para nami the kind of value ng ikahatag sa inyo. I guess, Sir Red, before we end this session, is there anything you wanted to say to all the people nga naadri karon?
Yes, pinaka last jud na ko gusto na ko isulti, and I've always wanted to say this to VAs and freelancers is tagai og value inyong kaugalingon. Okay? When you give yourself value, then pasabot you can walk away from bad deals. All right? Like what Sir Tony said a moment ago nga price yourself reasonably based on your skills. But sometimes some clients will not recognize that. So you have to learn how to walk away from that bad deal ba. You have to consider unsay value nimo mahatag. So you have to value yourself, price yourself right. And what's it? So kanang that's it. That's what I wanted to say lang. Tagai lang value inyong kaugalingon.
Sorry, na-distract ka. Si Red, ako day si runner. Ako may magsigdigandagan sa palibot. Again, salamat kaayo. It is so should also thank you guys for being here. Kaya ang session wouldn't be as colorful, as intense, as beautiful as this kung wala po may audience. Thank you kaayo. Expect the recording for this one. Ako i-upload somewhere and more sessions. We are going to wait for your takeaways. Sir, na ba kayo reviews nga features sa imong page sa Facebook?
Oh, lo, di ko kibaon sa unan. Sa
Sige lang.
iwata.
You can leave the reviews sa akong page, pero ang question that is worth 500. Okay, we need someone to tell us or unsa ang framework ni Sir Red sa iyahang pagkatong sa sales niya, how he handles calls, unsa ang framework, and explain each step sa yang framework. The best answer wins 500. So si Red ako papilion na to. I-post ito sa Mewe. Ha? Thank you kaayo. Ana si Queenie. I really appreciate Jude sa imong help sa Red. Especially gabi, need Jude na ako og help. Thank you kaayo sa tanan. God bless you, my gabi. Again, thank you Red. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Don. Thank you, guys.
Picture sa dita ninyo. Mag-picture
Ay,
ta.
picture
Diba?
ta.
Ang emoji ko ni always picture. Okay, ang picture ta. Picture ta ninyo. Ang mga dagway. Uy, mga gwapa-gwapo madani nila. Ay, tara oh. Tara. Yun. Thank you kaayo ha for joining